Hello, everybody. It's another thing. We're gonna be doing simplest form with 2 and 10 and 3. Don't you mean? Don't say it. Let's get on. Let's get on with it, shall we? We shall. Did anyone see where 13 went? No. There I am. You might want to get this, just in case, because you might have your thing falling off. Okay, so now what? Okay, so, alright, it's time for simplest form. First, you need a number. Let's say 1/4. No, not 1/4. 2/8. I want to divide it by a number, but it has to be to something that the thing cannot be divided by. So let's say, so we have to list the factors, the multiples or factors. But in our case, let's say the factors 1 and 2. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Since the biggest number we see is 2 in both, we have to divide the number by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the number is 1/4. This is the simplest form. This is not a simplest form. 3/9 divided by divided by 1 equals 3/9. This is not simplest because we can still divide it by 3. Let's try another one. Another one we can do is 2/9. You're right. 2/13. Although 13 is a prime number, so we can only divide it by nothing because this is the simplest form. Wow, that was easy. Of course, said the one that chose it. I thought that was you. Anyway, let's do the next one. 4/16 divided by a simplest form equals a number. Let's see. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, while the factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So now we need to find the biggest number, like 4. 4 is the biggest number in both. So let's divide it by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So the simplest form of 4/16 is 1/4. Wow, simplest forms are so much fun, as long as you know your division. Now let's see something that if you don't know your division, let's go with the same number, 4/6. Let's say you did not 4/16. But let's say you did not divide by 4, and you divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is still not the simplest form, so we have to divide again by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1/4. So that is the simplest form. You need to add these two up to make it. You need to add these two numbers up. See? 2 and 2 is 4. Or you can multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. However way you want it. because you have to divide by 4. And that's just if you don't know how to do it by factors. You can always do it another way. And I can say 13 now. No!